It's about time to my two sisters. Join them
Together.
in lunchtime. That's our life. Thank you.
This is life in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Only in the Philippines. We eat
Bakuko.
together.
We have bakuko. They call
Yeah.
bakuko. Yeah.
Inuman madudin eh.
Okay.
Madam.
Here we go. Yeah, see, look.
We are all coughing because of the weather. Change of weather.
Coughing. I got also. I'm coughing also now.
Sneezing. Sore throat.
That's